All right. Good morning, everybody. Or good afternoon, good evening, no matter wherever you are, which country or however. So yesterday we talked about a lot of things. We did in Windows appreciation. We went into the computer desktop or computer Windows, which we have called. So today we will be going into Microsoft Word. We are starting with Microsoft Word. We are going to Microsoft Office precisely. We call it the Microsoft Office, which is here if you have from your, let's say for instance, here is my Windows. This is where we stopped the last time, and Windows desktop. So from here, when you go to your start bar, you sweep down. Don't forget when we said the Microsoft Office contains of so many things like the Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Here is the digital certificate. Okay, we said the programs there are Microsoft Access, we have the Microsoft Clip Organization, we have the Microsoft Excel, we have the Microsoft InfoPart Designer, we have the Microsoft, all of them, all of them, and all of them. And the best program, or let's say the program I'm going to look into, the program application, computer application that I'm going to look into here is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Microsoft Notes. Then I will go into Microsoft Publisher, Microsoft PowerPoint, and then we have the Microsoft Word. That's what I'm going to teach you. Don't forget I said Microsoft Word. Here is Microsoft Word, and I will teach the Microsoft Publisher. I'll teach you the Microsoft PowerPoint. I'll teach you the Microsoft OneNote. I'll teach you the Microsoft Excel. So those are the basic program we are going to be learning in this class, in this very class, but not all. We are not going to cover all for today. So first of all, we would like us to start with Microsoft Words. So we open the Microsoft Word. Let me go back again. For you to open that, you will need to go to the start button, go down, take your mouse and sweep down. Don't forget when you want to move your mouse up and down, if it's in a laptop computer, you left click. You after opening the start bar, you look for this scroll bar. We call here the scroll bar. You left click and hold. Left click and hold. Then go to your pointer, your mouse pointer. Then you drag it down. Drag it down to where you have the Microsoft Office. You left click again, and those icons, those applications will pop down. Then you left click again. Still be holding that left click. Don't release it. You drag your mouse down or your pointer, you drag it down to where you have the Microsoft Word. You right click it, sorry, you left click it and open. Once you left click it, this is Microsoft interface, what it will pop up automatically. So here is your Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word interface. So in the interface, we have, you see the status bar, the menu bar, the icons bar, you have so many of them. So we say that, okay, first of all, let me define what is Microsoft. We say this can be defined as a computer application program or software that can be used to record or type words, edit a document before it is being printed out. So it is not for typical purpose alone. It can also be used for inputting of data and to design graphics too. For those that are into graphic designs or those that has interest in graphic design, sometimes somehow we use Microsoft Word to do some basic design or typing arrangement and all those things before we go into either Corel or Photoshop, Adobe or whatever graphic design program basically. So it said that it can also be used for inputting of data and to design graphics too. It can also be described as a word processing program. Word processing program. Sometimes you see a short form WPP. That simply means word processing program, which is a short form of micro, which is also described as the Microsoft Word. So we say to open a Microsoft Word, click on the Start menu and point to the program, then Microsoft Word. So I'll go to straight to how you get started. So we say the Microsoft screen is divided into horizontal bar, which includes the title bar. Now, I said that we have the title bar and I explained some of those. What we call this title bar is up here. This is always found at the top of the Microsoft Word. So anytime you open a Microsoft Word, any bar you see at the top of the Microsoft Word is the title bar, or any program, not just on a Microsoft Word, any program at all. So we said, and it indicates the names of a program. For instance, Microsoft Word, or in short form MS Word. Then the name of the document. Let's say, for instance, we go here. Okay, so here is where we'll add the name of our program. We have document one, Microsoft Word. Okay, so we said that the title bar displays the name of a program and the name of a document. Okay, let's say this document is on self, so that's why we have document one. For instance, let me go and save this document. I'll go here, go to save as. In the save as, I will write the name as a training one. All right, I save it. Now you see automatically here I was document one. Recently, the name here was document one, but since I've saved it, it has changed to training one, which is the customized name that I put for it, or let's say that I imputed. Or let's say, for instance, I want to change the name. I change it to computer, change it to computer T. Now let's see what will happen once I save this. It's automatically changed, followed with the program's name, which is the Microsoft Word. All right, I believe you all understand. So we said the next bar we have is the menu bar. This is in most cases you have it next to the title bar. In most cases and in most programs, you have it next to the title bar. Its main function is to house other sub menus. What I mean by housed is like it consists. You understand what when someone says house, that means there are other folders, other files, other programs or whatever that is inside that very bar or document. So I said it's housed or it consists of other folders. Its main function is to house other submenus, tools where you can select to carry out editing features or facilities. It starts from the file, from the file, as you can see. So it starts from the file, the home menu, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, and view. And in some cases and in some programs, the last one you see here is the help menu, or the help or the help menu submenu. All right. So we said the next thing we have here is the toolbar. These are two. There are two toolbar on the Microsoft Word screen. The toolbar are when you can select shortcut to tools that can be found also in the submenu. The first toolbar is called standard bar. The first toolbar is called the standard bar. Don't forget. It has tools like cut, copy, and paste. All right. So we said that the first toolbar is where it's called the standard toolbar. Don't forget we are done with the title bar, we are done with the menu bar, and now we go over to the tools bar. So here is where you have your toolbar. So we said the first one has the cut, copy, and pens. So here